This is a Rheem RTEX-24 electric tankless water heater installation. We have bypass valves here. Here's the cold side with the shutoff valve, and then the hot side with the shutoff valve. Basically, those valves will send the water to those hose connections in the front, and you can open those up to connect hoses and flush out the heater. And then, of course, there's a pressure relief off the hot side over there. To use the panel, it's very easy. You just got to turn this dial and you can change the temperature. You press it in to turn it off and press it in again to turn it on. We have a 1-inch electrical conduit for the electrical. You see there's a flexible conduit coming from the unit going to a junction box, and then a 1-inch conduit going to the CLA. In a moment, we're going to go over and take a look in the electrical panel. This heater takes 3 40-amp double pole breakers. As you can see, they're marked with a WH, the 1, 2, and 3 of them here. And if you're thinking of getting one of these heaters, it's pretty straightforward. Just takes those 3 breakers with 8 AWG wire, and you're good to go.